Hello friends, today's topic is sorted an array using bubble sort algorithm. This is my array and B inside here value and B sorted the value is using bubble sort algorithm. Now start. An array and J and round and temp is integer type variables. Enter the number how many blocks you want create an array. B enter the value is n4, then 5 blocks are created because we start the array 0. 4j equal to 0 and j less than equal to n and j plus plus 1. The starting value j is 0 and enter the data in j blocks. We enter the data in this blocks 9, 4, 1, 2 and 3. Here we use round for this array traverse, and there has this array is traverse in 4 rounds, means this array is sorted in 4 rounds because here 5 blocks and takes one less round, and the value of j is we use this array for swap the values 9 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 2 and 3. Array j greater than array j plus 1. The value of starting j is 0. Array j greater than j plus 1. The array j is value is 9 and array j plus 1 is 4. Then this is swap and temp equal to array j. The value of array j is insert in temp and the value of array j equal to array j plus 1. The value of array j plus 1 insert in array j. Here this insert here and array j plus 1 equal to temp, means the value of temp is insert in array j plus 1. Here the value is swap and again the value of j is 1. The value of array j is 1. 1 is 9 and array j plus is 2. 2 is value of 1. Then 9 is greater than 1. Condition is true. Then execute this line. Temp equal to array j. The value of array j is insert temp and the value of array j is j plus 1 insert in first block and array j plus 1 equal to temp. The array j plus 1 block is here. The 9 is insert here and the value of j is 3 and array j is the value of is 2. The value of array j is 2 and the value of array j2 is 9 and the value of array j plus 1 is 3 and value of this 2. Then this swap 9 is insert temp and 2 insert this and 9 insert here and the value of j is 3. J the value of array j 3 is 9 and array j plus 1 is 3. It is condition true. Then execute this line. Temp equal to array j. The value of array j is insert in temp and array j equal to array j plus 1. The value of array j plus 1 is insert here and this value is insert is here. The loop the value of array j plus is 4 then value is 4 and the value of n is 4, then condition is false, then loop is terminated and the value of round is 1. And the value of j is 0 and array j greater than array j plus 1. The value of array j is 4 and array j plus 1 is 1. It is condition true, then swap. This is insert in temp and this is insert here and this is insert here and the value of j is 1. Condition is true. The 4 is greater than 2. Condition is true. Then value is swap. This and this is insert 1 blocks and this is insert 2 second blocks and the value of j is 3. The value of 3 is 3 and the value of is sorry the value of j is 2 and the value of 2 is 4 and value of 3 is 3. The 4 is greater than, then they are swapped. Let's the this is swap and the value of j is 4. The value of j is 3 and 3 the value of 3 is 4 and value of 4 is 9. Condition is false, then loop is terminated and the value of round is 2 and this is removed. The value of j is 0 and 0 is 1 and 1 is 2. This condition is false. 1 is greater than 2. Its condition is false. Then this line is not executed. And again, the value of j is 1. Then value of 1 is 2 and the value of 2 is 3. Then condition is false. Then it is not swap. And this is our sorted arrays ready. And we execute this program. We enter the value is 4 and we insert here 9, 4, 1, 3 and 2. The sorted is this is array sorted. And how many take step bubble sort algorithm is 4. This is the after or array sorted and we print the sorted array. So we use the for loops and the array is sorted is print here and how many take step bubble sort algorithms round. We print the value of round. This is value of round. We print the value. Now if bubble sort algorithm takes 4 rounds, then print 4 rounds and he takes 3 rounds, then this round value is 3 and then the value of round is 4. Then we execute this program again. We enter the 4 values: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and sorted. And how many takes steps bubble sort algorithm? 4. It is disadvantage because this array is sorted, already sorted, and the algorithm takes 4 round. It is disadvantage of bubble sort algorithm. We resolve this disadvantage in next videos. Thank you so much.